hooked up to anything, it's just laying on the ground. He goes over the end and goes, water.
Are you throwing water?
So he remembers that he played in the hose.
Of course he does. Are you throwing water?
Oh, that's a good one.
Lana, can you say cheese? Oh no, you're throwing water. Yeah, Mummy. You playing in bubbles?
You got it?
Uh-oh. You throwing bubbles?
You need a towel, honey.
Oh no, you're throwing them at the camera now. You're silly. Can you say hi? Can you say hi?
You get it? Say hi.
Say hi. I'm taking a video. Oh goodness.